Hey folks, JG here from Vista Property Group, and I just wanted to welcome you to this video, and I want to talk about landlord issues. I want to talk about, it's not an issue, it's more of a training video, if you will, and I call it like this. Come on with me. Now the reason I'm here at this property is because I just renovated it. Quite literally, this property is brand new. We just put a ton of money into it, and I know this happens, you do this a lot too. You put a lot of money into your properties. Renovate, paint, floors, new walls, all the various things you do to your property. Now, the thing is with maintenance perpetuation is the more you maintain a property, the more that property will stay up to speed. What I mean by that is this. A lot of new landlords or newer landlords, what happens is they tend to not maintain their properties. And they like to wait. And essentially they wait for the maintenance to be delayed and then delayed and then delayed. And what ends up happening is your property ends up decaying in value and decaying in overall appeal and aesthetics. Now this is a problem for two reasons. One, preventative maintenance costs 1/3 what reactive maintenance costs. So let's just say we gotta do a little bit of spot painting here, and it might cost $100 to spot paint this place. If you have to paint the entire room, it's going to cost you $300 to $500. That's just an example. If you have preventative maintenance on a floor, for example, it'll cost you 1/3 the reactive maintenance of having to redo the whole floor. So preventative maintenance is way cheaper than reactive maintenance. That's the first thing. The second thing is your tenants. So in this commercial space here, we have a tenant that runs a cafe and a wine bar. The more we maintain this property, and it's the same with you with your apartments, the more you maintain the property, the more likely they are to maintain the property. If you withhold and withdraw and delay maintenance, you're sending a subtle message to them that it's okay to not take care of the property. And as a result of this, the property ends up decaying faster. This is what I call maintenance perpetuation. It's a perpetual cycle. You can either use that cycle for good or that cycle will work against you for bad. So my advice, maintain your properties. Stay on top of them. Invest a little bit of money every month, every quarter, every year into maintaining them and keeping them up to speed. You'll be thankful in the short term, medium term, and long term, and you'll have happier tenants. That's my advice. Thanks for watching. We'll see you soon.